Morning once again. Today we're just gonna be chilling. We're gonna not push ourselves as hard as we have in the last couple days. So right now I'm just gonna head over to back to Kawaramachi. I'm gonna go watch a movie, probably the Miss Kobayashi movie. After that, I'll probably head to the record store to find that one record I've been searching for. But other than that, I have no other plans. So yeah, just today we're gonna be chilling because tomorrow we're gonna be heading to Fushimi, Inari. So hopefully, everything goes good today. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we're just leaving the movie right now. I just finished watching the movie. It was really good. So now I'm just gonna be going to find a record store.